Beautifully updated first floor 2-bedroom/2B condo on the Falling Waters Beach Resort. Newly renovated kitchen with additional cabinets added plus gorgeous granite countertops. Tile backsplash and under cabinet lighting add to this dream kitchen. Open floor plan with volume ceilings plus a bonus of 300 square foot of additional year-round living on your enclosed lanai. Your lake view and fountains are absolutely amazing. Both bathrooms have been updated and have beautiful granite countertops. Plexiglas lanai enclosures plus remote storm shutters and hunter deck with sunshades. So many updates I can't list them all. Home of the famous resort-style lazy river pool, this very active and friendly community will welcome you. Close to both Marco Island and Naples Beaches shopping and dining. This condo will not last long and is a must-see.